going on, everybody? We are down here at the Customer Appreciation Day. We have Derek here with his Fox body. Derek, thanks for coming out today.
Anytime.
Give us a little bit of a rundown of this thing.
It's a 1988 Mustang. Same Fox body pretty much everybody has. Started its life as a 4-cylinder car. It's now a 410-inch Brian Roach racing engines built, Windsor motor with high ports. It's a Sam Vincent solid roller cam, high compression nitrous motor, makes about 1100 on nitrous, about 750, somewhere in that range on motor. We've never dynoed it, don't really care as long as it runs the numbers. It is what it is.
Nice.
It's fully suspended by UPR suspensions. They've been amazing to me. They've treated me great. It's Viking double adjustable coilovers all the way around. And it's basically just a street car,
Nice.
as they call it. I got the motor back Saturday and got it running last night to make it here today.
Well, I'm glad you can make it out. This is one of my favorites. I will say I love this thing, especially because it goes fast. Now, what got you into Mustangs, man?
My dad, when he was younger, he had Mustangs and got me into them, and he took me to the track when I was young, and it got me hooked. So, yeah.
And how many times have you been to CAD so far?
This will be with the car. It's the fourth or fifth.
Awesome. Well,
Yeah.
Thank you for coming back, man. I hope you're enjoying it today.
Always.
And, well, thanks for going over the car with us, Derek.
Anytime.
We have John here with his beautiful Shelby GT350R. I want to say, John, thanks for coming out today. And
Thanks for having me.
tell us a little bit about your car.
So I'm the second owner. It's a 2020 Shelby GT350R in grabber lime. It's a 1-year only color that Ford made in 2020. Car currently has about 10,000 miles on it. I drive it often. The car is spec'd out as a 1 of 5 ever made. It's grabber line with black stripes. It has the rear seat delete, carbon fiber wheels. It's pretty unique.
It's a sweet car.
Thank you.
Definitely.
Thank you.
Definitely one of my favorites here. I
Thank
love
you.
it so much.
It's also been featured in last month's Mustang Times.
Awesome. That's cool.
So I put that up here too.
That's awesome.
Thank you.
And what got you into Mustangs?
So I'm 50.
Okay.
My first car I ever owned, I was 14 years old and I had a 69 Mach 1.
Oh, that's cool.
So that was my first car I ever owned, and then 70 Mach 1 after that, and then it was all down here after that. I've had
Right down the
Mustangs-
rabbit hole.
Mustangs all my entire life.
Nice.
But this is my latest. I also have a completely restored 71 Mach 1 at home and a 93 GT convertible at home.
Awesome. Any CJ parts on those cars?
Almost every single part on those cars is CJ Pony
Love
parts.
to hear it. Now, have you been to CAD before?
I have. This is my second year.
Oh, awesome. Cool. Well, John, thank you for coming out. Thanks for bringing this beautiful car.
Absolutely. Thanks
Hopefully
for
we
having
can
me.
see some of the classics maybe in the next CAD, but
You got it.
I love this thing, man.
Thank you.
Seriously.
Me too. It's a blast to drive.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
What's up, everybody? This is Sammy, and this is her beautiful yellow S650 Mustang. Sammy, thanks for coming out today. Can you tell us a little bit about your car?
Yep, so this is my 2024 Ford Mustang 5.0. It's in yellow / metallic, and it is a manual. I also have the performance pack on it, and it's just a base model. And also I have an MBRP race exhaust on it.
How are you liking the MBRP exhaust so far?
I'm obsessed.
Yeah, sounds really good?
Yes, I get a lot of looks every time I drive it. It's even good when I'm going, you know, through bridges and whatnot. I'm obsessed.
Nice. And is this your first time at CAD, or have you been here before?
This is my first time. I'm loving it so far. It's great, a very good environment. It's a good time so far.
Awesome, I'm glad to hear that. And my last question for you is, what got you into Mustangs?
It's kind of funny because I was a horse girl when I was little.
Okay.
Don't know why, but my parents were like, we're not getting you a horse, so instead we're going to get you a Mustang.
Oh, okay.
So they got me a Mustang for my first car, and ever since then I've been into Mustangs.
Well, Sammy, thank you for your time. Thank you for coming here. This is one of my favorite colors on the S650. I just can't get over it. And hopefully we'll see some more yellow ones here pretty soon. We have Pam here with her beautiful 73 Mustang Vert. Pam, would you like to tell us a little bit about your car?
I'd love to, thank you. First of all, her name is Beatrice. I got her in 2019. She's the only one around here like this. Got the 351 Cleveland that everyone seems to like a lot. Also, my wheels, the old style Krager rims, people love that. Of course, done a lot of work on her. She's got a brand new TMI interior, new engine rebuild last year, and we are just having all kinds of fun.
Nice, nice. Well, I gotta say right off the bat, love the yellow. One of my
you.
favorite colors. What would you say is your favorite part about your vehicle?
I'd have to probably agree with you on the color.
The color?
She
Okay.
stands out. Everybody knows who I am when they see me coming down the road.
Nice. And have you been to Customer Appreciation Day before?
Last year was my first year. I brought my daily driver 2013 that time because she was still in the shop, but was excited to bring her for her first time.
Awesome. And you enjoying the day?
Absolutely.
Awesome, Pam.
Absolutely.
Well, thank you so much for letting us talk to you, and we absolutely love the car.
Thank you.